Welcome to Genius Kiddies channel. My name is Temitope. I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can watch educative, informative, and well-explained teachings. Thank you. Our topic today is binary number system. And what is binary number system? It's also called the base 2 number system. It's a method of representing numbers that counts by using combination of only two numerals, which are 0 and 1. That's just a background knowledge for you. That is a binary system. You know, like when you were being taught place value, like something like this. If you have 4,306, you'll be asked to find the place value of 4. This is going to be what? 4,000. This will be what? 300. This will be what? This is 0, 10, and of course this is 6 units. This is normal number talking about place value, but this is talking about binary numbers. We are going to be looking at some examples that will bring about some clarity to you. Now we have 25,024 in base 6. We are being told to expand. This is just expansion. We are not dividing. We are not solving it. And this is the first thing you do. Name it. You start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And when you want to expand, just the way I try to expand the place value, this is how you do it. The first number is 2. You say 2 times the base 6 raised to power 4. All these are the index, plus 5 times the base 6 raised to power what? 3. Then plus 0 times the base 6 raised to power 2. Then plus 2 times the base 6 raised to power 1. The last one will always be 1. They've just picked the last number, say 4 times 1. That's all. That is, you have fully expanded this question. The second one, we have 1001 base 2. You are asked to expand this. How do you do this? Same way. Number this first is 0, 1, 2, 3. And what do you do? Is in base 2. Taking it back is going to be what? 1 times base 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 times base 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 times base 2 raised to power 1, then plus 1 times 1. That is expansion. We are not solving this to get our final answer. Okay, we'll be going further. We go further into looking at how to convert between base 10 and base 2. How to convert from base 10 to base 2 or from base 2 to base 10. That's what we'll be looking at now. The example before me says, number 1 says, convert 30 base 10 to a base 2 number. But the simplest way to do this is to go by this. Just have your number here. Of course, like you have your 30, which is the number you are dividing. Then you also have your remainder. You also have your divisor. You are going to base 2. So you use 2 to divide the 30, and this is going to be where you record your remainder. So you say 30 divided by 2 is what? 15. Remainder what? Nothing. Then you come here again. 15 divided by 2 is 7. Remainder what? 1. You come here again. 7 divided by 2 is 3. Remainder what? 1. Come here again. 3 divided by 2 is 1. Remainder 1. Then the next thing is 2 divided by 1 is 0, remainder 1. Final answer. Once you have it this way, so it's going to be, this is going to be the answer now. 1 1 1 1 0 to what? Base 2. Final answer. So in binary number, you take your numbers from down to up. So that's why you are seeing it this way: 1 1 1 1 0 base 2. So we have converted 30 to base 2. We are going to look at how to convert from base 2 to base 10. How do we do this? You remember the expansion we did the other time. Now look at it. 1 1 0 0 1, which is in base 2. We are asked to convert it to what? Base 10. This is what you do. Just label it. You have your 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is in base 2. So what should you do? You will say what? You will say 1 times the base 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 times the base 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 times the base 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 times the base 2 raised to power 1, then plus, I told you the last time it's going to be, the last number is going to be 1 times 1. Once you have expanded this way, you solve. 2 raised to power 4 is 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16. So this is 16, because 16 times 1 is 16. 2 raised to power 3, 2 times 2, 1, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 1 is 8. Then come here, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, times 0, of course, is 0. Then 2 raised to power 1 is 2. Is 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 times 1 is 1. So what do you do? 16 plus 8 is what? 24 plus 1. This is going to be 25 base 10. So you have been able to successfully convert base 2 to base 10. You can also convert it back to this using this method. Then I have the last example on the board. Find the value of 111 base 2 all raised to power 2 in base 2. How do we get the value of this? The first thing you do when you have it this way is to bring it to base 10 first, which is what? Number 3, 111 is in base 2, 0, 1, 2. What do? You have your 1 times base 2 raised to power 2, 1 times base 2 raised to power 1, plus 1 times 1. It's going to be what? 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Then 2 raised to power 1 is what? 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Then plus what? 1. Then you have what? 4 plus 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. Once you have your 7. Once you have your 9, you are asked to raise it up, raised to power 2, which is what? 49. Don't forget this raised to power 2 that is here in the question. So you raise it up to 9. So this will be it in base 10. So you now bring it back to base 2 by using this. This is how to bring it back to base 2. You have your divisor here, 2, 49. Your remainder is here. 2 in 49 is 24, remainder 1. 2 in 24 is 12, remainder 0. 2 in 12 is 6, remainder 0. 2 in 6 is 3, remainder 0. 2 in 3 is 1, remainder 1. 2 in 1 is 0, remainder 1. And I told you in binary number you take it up. So your final answer here is what? 11001 base 2. Final answer. We've been able to do justice to these 3 questions. We started with how to expand, and then we've ended up with how to solve it. Thank you so much.